Hey friends, if iTunes has detected a problem with your audio configuration in Windows, if this is the error message you encounter on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before anything else, just reinstall iTunes. It's very easy. So, search for iTunes in the Windows search bar and then click on the download pointing arrow associated with it. Select uninstall and then uninstall once again. Okay. It will need a while to get uninstalled. Now search for store and go to the Microsoft Store and then search for iTunes and hit enter. And then go to iTunes and then select install. Now this is how you will reinstall iTunes, and this will solve the problem to quite an extent. I guess in like 80 to 85% of the cases. Then we can always update the audio driver. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click and select update driver. Right click on the second one and select update driver. Okay. The last one is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown and sign out, and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.